There's fleas on me. Will you grab me another? Oh, there's sardines in here. I saw sardines. There's some sardines.
Oh, braver than me.
And look at that. That's dog. Just kidding. Here, there's another can of sardines out there too. Who can resist stinky?
Oh, they're garlic. I'm not giving dogs garlic.
Oh, give me that little. Is that a bowl?
With a glove attached.
Oh, that's. Hi, Mr. Lizard. You must have a heyday in here. Oh, I hear something. Maybe I'll put some. Do you guys like sardines? I have some really yucky sardines. These are very yummy. Oh, wait, my goodness. Can't believe I'm touching these stinky things. Okay. I'm going to try to put this in here. All right. That sounds yummy. Huh? It's crazy.
Can we find you something somewhat?
So I'll just.
Brand new.
Nothing in this house is brand new when
Well,
you.
it had a tag on it, but I figured.
Oh, there's tuna fish too. All right.